maths can be presented sometimes as a feat of memory and a list of processes and procedures and facts to be remembered, whereas actually maths isn't that at all. The beauty, as you've said elsewhere, the beauty is in the connectedness of maths and the way that it gives you the skills, I think, to work out, to try and work out what to do when you don't know what to do. That's how I see maths. It's a method of problem solving, and that can apply to the maths itself, can't it? So for me, I had real problems with learning times tables, and looking back, I just didn't know what it meant. There were these numbers that, two of these numbers together gave me another number, and if I could remember the combination of those, then I knew my times tables, but I didn't see the purpose for them at all. And so it took me a long while to work out that if I knew 6 times 6, for some reason, I can remember square numbers more easily than I could other ones. But if I knew 6 times 6, then I could work out 6 times 7. It took me a long time to realise that, because I didn't see any connection between 6 times 6 and 6 times 7,
Well,
really.
nobody taught us strategies around those things.
Mm,
There was only one way to do it, and that was the algorithm.
that's
And
right.
it didn't apply to anything else. And I didn't really understand how division and multiplication were linked, because it was meaningless. It was just meaningless. You're absolutely right. And then when they brought in fractions, and I was like, wait, how's that linked to multiplication?
I definitely left secondary school having not a clue about fractions and teaching. So my first teaching post was in year 5, and the next year I followed that class into year 6, and I had to teach them fractions. And I have to hold my hands up. I think I taught them very badly in the first few years, because I had no conceptual understanding of what a fraction was. And yet now I understand fractions. I don't want to blow my own trumpet, but I think I've got a good understanding of what a fraction is.